Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Yunita Triandina. I'm a student of Economy Education, Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta 2018. In this, I would like to deliver my internship report at Local Government Employee Cooperative of DKI Jakarta. We call it KPPD DKI Jakarta. Before it, if you'd like to say thank you to Mr. Dr. Ari Sabtono, SA MPD, as a Dean of Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta. Thank you to Mrs. Professor Dr. Sri Indah Nikensari, SA MSA, as a Coordinator of Economic Education, Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta. And thank you to Mr. Professor Dr. Iketut R. Thank you to Mr. Professor Dr. Iketut R. Sudiarta, CPHCM, as an advisor academic, and thank you to all employees in KPPD DKI Jakarta, especially Mrs. Linda Ayu Pramesti. First of all, I will give you some information about my internship report in KPPD DKI Jakarta. Is internship report in Finance Division at Local Government Employee Cooperative or KPPD DKI Jakarta. Topic on my presentation. Chapter 1, Introduction. First, I will give a presentation about background cooperative and why we have to take the internship program, cooperative profile, and schedule and time of background of internship. The unemployment rate that occurs in Indonesia is increasing. Unemployment occurs due to the lack of employment opportunities and low skill or abilities possessed by prospective applicants, which are not sufficient to compete with other applicants who have qualified skill. Therefore, to overcome the problem of unemployment and create a professional workforce and improve the quality and skill possessed, Jakarta State University has a program of educational activities, namely fieldwork practice, which aim to enable students to implement the science according to their respective study program and consultation. Each obtained during entry into the real world of work and is expected to provide experience for students regarding the real work picture. And next, location. Location Local Government Employee Cooperative or KPPD DKI Jakarta. Address in Jaksa Street number 25, Kebon Sirih, Menteng, Sentral, Jakarta. Number telephone is 021-319-26945. Fax is 319-26221. And email is info.kppd-dki.com or kppd.dkijakarta@gmail.com. Schedule and time of internship. First, preparation, starting from October until December. And second, implementation, starting from January until February. And last, reporting, starting from March until April. That starting from 18 January until 18 February 2021. That starting from 18 January until 18 February 2021. Day starting from Monday until Friday, and time starting from 8 a.m. o'clock until 3 p.m. o'clock. Chapter 2, General Review. Local Government Employee Cooperative or KPPD DKI Jakarta. I will give presentation about cooperation history, cooperative visi and misi, and structure organization. Cooperative history. First, KPPD was since 1979, but the first time is KPKG or Government Office Employee Cooperative. KPPD was founded in 1979 because of the need of the improve the economy and welfare of this member, starting from Mr. Haji Hasanuddin BSCSH, which as a institution to build small cooperative, because at the time the cooperative was not yet a legal entity, and if could be said that the cheese cooperative were cooperative. After a few moments, KPKG has legal entity number 1324/BH/1 that November 28, 1979, and last in 1882 the name of KPKG replaced to KPPD. Because in 1982 the governor of Choco Pranu gave a speech and said that the government's employees are not only at City Hall, but people from sub-district, people from Kelurahan are also officials of the governor. Therefore, I ask KPKG to expand its wings to serve employees from sub-district to sub-district. Based off this direction, an amendment was made to the Article of Association by bylaws, and the name of KPKG was changed to KPPD DKI Jakarta. And next, visi and misi KPPD DKI Jakarta. Mission: first, help and encourage employees and employees in the environment to improve their welfare. And second is make a people economics movement based on kinship with many benefits in it. And vision is become a cooperative that synergies to achieve success. And this organization structural. This is our organization structural at Local Government Employee Cooperative or KPPD DKI Jakarta. And next, general activities of KPPD DKI Jakarta. There are 6 general activities of KPPD DKI Jakarta. First, savings. In carrying out business activities, cooperative savings are their own capital that comes from members and is useful for meeting members' needs. Next, loan fund. In providing service to members, KPPD DKI Jakarta still pays attention to the needs of the various needs of the members that still dominate its money loans. And next, electronic purchase credit. Lending makes it easy for members who want to have complete household appliances, furniture, electronic, and others. Next, motorcycle purchase credit. The distribution of this credit is due to the easy in the sales procedure for motor bicycle that the KPPD DKI Jakarta provides to members, even the installments are lesser than other motorcycle dealers. And rent boarding house, shop house, and rent house. And last, the cooperation with third parties. Chapter 3, Implement of Internship. I will give presentation about job text and problem and solution, the internship report. And this is my job text. First, my job text is bank reconciliation inaccurate. In carrying out this text, the pensioner is given as period note of the company cash report. The bank sent a report in the form of a cash statement containing all deposit transactions during a certain period. Next, the pensioner will input the company days-to-day transaction and post the name of the account from large cash to a bank that has collaborated in the accurate software with a description of the expense that have been recorded in the case statement note. Second is print proof of comparative daily cash distributed receipt. In carrying out this task, the pensioner is given the task of printing proof of daily cash expenditure receipt, such as administrative costs. When KPPD cooperative members borrow money but transfer it to different bank, and nominal operation costs are not large, because the pensioner is only assigned to print advance receipts that are not yet in the archiving, and nominal assigned to print receipt with a nominal that is not too late. And third, my job next is calculate and check service fees for the management of KPPD cooperative member units for 1 year given at the time of the RAT. In carrying out the task, the pensioner is asked to calculate and check the fees for the management of the KPPD cooperative member unit. Previously, the practitioner was given a report paper containing the name of the unit administration and the amount of service fees obtained by each unit administrator. After that, the pensioner was asked to count the money and put it in an envelope according to the nominal state in the report with the management of the unit recipient. And the last, my job next is print the salary slips of KPPD employees for January. In carrying out this task, the pensioner is assigned to print KPPD employee salary slips. Previously, the pensioner was given salary report data with the names of KPPD employees in the form of Microsoft Excel. Then, the pensioner entered the employee's name code in the new Microsoft Excel sheet that was already in the system when entering the code. Immediately, the employee's name was written after that was saved as into PDF and printed. And next problem, there are two problems in here. And the first time is practicant have difficulty when bank reconciliation in the is acquired, and last is practicant have difficulty when printing receipt proof of cash disbursement. And next solution, there are two solutions in here. First, partition trying hard and learning is understanding how the step that the must be carried out in bank reconciliation is accurate, and show willingness to learn is learning something that is not yet understood. Practitioners try to understand and learn in studying bank reconciliation in accurate, because by trying to learn, the practitioner gains experience and knowledge previously known. And second is practitioner trying to understand and keep trying to print shape with the correct paper position and show an attitude of thoroughness in fraction it. The practitioner tries to print proof of the receipt with the correct paper position by showing an attitude of accuracy, because with an attitude of the thoroughness, the practitioner tries to avoid mistakes. Thank you for your attention, and sorry if there are many mistakes in saying. See you.